Hey guys, today I've got a Frigidaire electric dryer. It's in like new condition, works perfect, and the purpose of this video is just so that you can see that it does in fact work like it's supposed to. Get it home, plug it in, everything's gonna work good. So I'll show you. It's running right now. It's really quiet, but this little temperature gun here, whatever that red dot shines on, it's gonna give you the surface temperature. It's kind of cold out here, but we will shoot this into the heating coils here. You can see there's plenty of heat coming out of there, and then the inside dryer temperature will get anywhere from 105 up to 195, just depends on what you have these settings on. And I've actually used this dryer personally, and for me, a super capacity load, medium heat, 1 round from towels on, totally dry. As a matter of fact, over on high heat, if you went all the way on towels, if you didn't have a load of full wet towels in there, it would get done somewhere around here, and they'd almost be a little too hot if you were just doing some like cotton shirts or something. So, and that's the way it's supposed to be. You know, the towel setting is for big wet towels. So good to know, but really put it on medium heat, start it over there on towels. Doesn't matter what you throw in there. It's about the perfect temperature. It comes out fast and gets dry real quick. And like I said, I used this dryer personally for a while during a move transition. I really like this dryer. So there you have it. We'll start it up. You can listen to it. Runs nice and quiet. And like I said, it's in like new shape. So this will be a great dryer for somebody. If you have any questions, reach out. We'll get it listed up for sale. Thank you.